Hey everybody, and welcome to another 1000 Below collaboration. Our special guest this month is Nate Bright, and thank you, Nate, for being here. Nate gave us a challenge for this month, and the challenge was, I think it was Think Snowflakes. And I had no idea what I was going to do for this. But, well, for starters, I messed up my color to go paint. As you can see, there's some white showing up in it there on the canvas. I told the guys not to mix the paint, that I was going to mix it when I got home to try to get less bubbles in it, because I was painting with it the same day that I bought it. Don't do that. I mixed that paint for over an hour with my cordless drill and paint mixer, and it still was not mixed up properly. So yeah, don't do that. I had to fix that, and I had to stir it up a little more in the can to get that white streak out of it. But anyhow, this is a new color that I'm using. It's Open Seas by Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. I thought it would be good, kind of a wintry, icy color. I think it turned out okay. It was a little on the thick side. I thought about thinning it down some with water, but it worked out okay. It was just a little on the thick side. That's the first time I've used that color. I'm just trying to spin it a little bit to get it thinned out, because it didn't seem to be moving real well, but yeah, it worked out okay.
Get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time.
And the colors I'm putting down, this is TLP Benevolence. It's just the first time I've used my Benevolence. I think it may have been a little darker than I was expecting, but it's a cool color. All the piggies are cool. And next I put down a Pearl White by Amsterdam.
Wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose.
And this is Waterfall by TLP.
You're still with me all the time. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait?
And this is TLP's Velvet, which is a pretty cool color. It's got a blue interference effect in it that looks pretty cool. I do like it a lot. And the last color that I'm putting down, that is TLP's Frost. Then I'm going to be using my white cell activator. I started to mix up a blue cell activator, and I kind of wish I had, but yeah, hindsight's always 20/20, right? But my cell activator is titanium white, 1 part paint to 3 parts Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to turn the music up, and you guys enjoy, and I will catch you on the flyover.
set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. If my highs are highs, my lows are low. Need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on. Cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. Yeah, calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past, you did what you knew. Slow down and rest, you've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold. Behind closed eyes, where the shadows play, there's no looking the other way. Behind closed eyes. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder, louder.
Well, there it is, folks, and I wish it looked in the video like it looks in person. You just cannot see the effects from all those TLPs in there in the pearl white. I just took it off my drying rack earlier and looked at it. It's not dry yet, but man, those TLP pigments just, it looks way better in person than it does on this video. But that's the way it goes. I'll try to get on our next collaboration. I'll show you guys a dried result and hopefully be able to get those TLPs to show up a little bit better on video. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and check out all the videos on my collaboration playlist will be in my description box, so make sure you see everybody's videos in collaboration, and I will catch you guys on the next one.